Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself wrestling with dull kitchen knives or perhaps even a damaged good blade trying to sharpen it yourself? If so, this video is absolutely for you. I recently received this innovative rolling knife sharpener kit as a gift, and I'm going to provide an honest, in depth review showing you precisely why this tool could be the very last sharpener you'll ever need. Unboxing this kit, you immediately get a sense of its premium quality and serious functionality. It comes equipped with two distinct magnetic angle jigs, one precisely set for a 15-degree sharpening angle and another for a 20-degree angle, ensuring versatility for various knife types. You'll also find a comprehensive set of sharpening tools, a coarse diamond disc for initial edge setting, a finer ceramic disc for refinement, a high-quality leather strop for polishing, and even a small container for polishing compound to achieve a razor-sharp finish. Everything is neatly organized and securely stored in a sleek, portable case, making it convenient to use and transport. Let's delve into what truly sets this sharpener apart from traditional methods. The core innovation lies in its magnetic angle guide system. This intelligent design guarantees your knife is consistently held at the perfect precise sharpening angle throughout the entire process. This addresses the number one mistake most people make when sharpening knives freehand, which often leads to inconsistent results and damaged blades. With this system, achieving the correct angle is effortless and foolproof. I'll begin by using the diamond disc, making a few smooth, controlled rolls back and forth along the edge. Once the initial edge is established, I'll seamlessly switch to the ceramic disc for a finer refinement. Finally, I'll move to the leather strop, applying a polishing compound to achieve an incredibly keen mirror-like edge. The results are genuinely remarkable. This knife, which previously struggled to even slice through the tomato, now glides through it with little effort. Seriously, the improvement is that dramatic and impressive. This kit has completely transformed how I approach knife maintenance in my kitchen. It's incredibly easy to use, surprisingly satisfying to operate, and consistently delivers professional level sharpening results, all without the need to send your knives out or pay a professional service. If you have a passion for cooking or you're simply tired of battling with dull blades, this rolling knife sharpening kit, without a doubt, is 100% worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to ensure that you stay up to date with more helpful reviews.